Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Dad Life channel. We are in the garage today, not cooking right now, but today we're going to build a chicken waterer for Savannah's chicken coop. We recently got 26 more chicks at the beginning of March during this pandemic, and they've gotten pretty big now, and the little small chick waterer doesn't seem to be fitting their needs anymore, so we're going to go ahead and build a bigger waterer for them. And with our supplies today, we have our heavy duty grade food grade bucket that we got at Lowe's, and we ordered some chicken water kit for the nipples off of Amazon. I'll see if we can put that at the bottom here, and so we're gonna get started here. Here we go. Alright, so what we did is we took our hay string, and since we have 5 of these water nipples, we're going to do a exact measurement and place this string up here to where we have 5 on the bottom at 1 inch, and then we'll move the string up to here at 4 inches up, and we'll mark our spots for the 5 up there. We're going to alternate it though, so it's a little bit off up on the top, so that way they can get to the bottom or to the top. But you'll see how it's going to go. Alright, so we got our places marked on here for where the nipples are going to go. I'm going to go ahead and start drilling them. We'll drill them first, and then we'll get the nipples put on. As you can see, we have our holes drilled in the bucket. We got 5 holes on the bottom and then the 5 holes on the top for the taller chickens. We only had a package of 10, which is fine. So I'm going to go ahead and hand screw these in, and then I attach this little wrench type thing that came with the nipples to my drill, and this will help secure it all the way down. As you can see, these are the nipples that do have a little rubber gasket on the back, so that should help to keep from leaking once they're installed. Alright, as you can see, we have all the nipples installed. Now what I'm going to do, thanks to this little wrench here, I'm going to go back and I'm going to adjust them just a little bit to where this flat part is on the bottom, because when they hit the nipple part right there, the water will actually sit in there for them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now just to tighten them up. Alright, we're going to go ahead and rinse the inside out, make sure there's nothing left in there, and then we're going to check it out, test it, and see if it leaks. Alright, so we're halfway filled up. I have the water line above where all of them at. Doesn't look like I have any leaking going on. And as you can see, all you have to do is just push on this little thing right here, and the water's coming out. They all seem to be working pretty good. So now we need to take it down to the chicken coop, find a place to set it on, and fill it up with water and put the top on, and the chickens will be happy. Alright folks, there you have it. Our first chicken waterer that we built. As you can see, this little guy's not too thrilled that I'm holding him, but I think he will enjoy his water once he gets down to it. Let's see how they do.